1971, AMC Javelin AMX, the forgotten muscle car rebel. This isn't a Camaro or a Mustang. This is the 1971 AMC Javelin AMX, the muscle car underdog that could take them all on. With flared fenders, bold lines, and a 401 cubic inch V8, making 330 horsepower, this beast was built to shock the big players. It raced in Trans Am, standing wheel to wheel with Mustangs, Camaros, and Challengers, and it held its own. Inside, it was pure 70s performance, bucket seats, rally gauges, and attitude in every detail. Rare then, even rarer now, this is one of the coolest muscle cars most people forgot. The 1971 AMC Javelin AMX, proof that underdogs can be legends. Subscribe for more hidden muscle car icons.